Consider subscribing to TechGadget now for latest tech updates. Hey guys, Kiran from TechGadget now. So it's official guys, Samsung Galaxy Note 10 will be launching on August 8, 2019 at 3 am. So Samsung recently launched a new teaser on Samsung Galaxy Note 10 showing its capabilities. So it will be a powerhouse. Samsung is claiming in that video that Samsung Galaxy Note 10 will be a proper laptop replacement. So, Samsung is having a text feature available in recent phones from Samsung Galaxy S8 to S10. So this helps to convert your phone into a PC completely. So Samsung is optimizing the text feature to next level in Samsung Galaxy Note 10. Galaxy Note 10 is fitted to have an Air Mouse support. That is, your S Pen could be used as a mouse support while you use the phone as a PC. New leaks of the screen protectors of Galaxy Note 10 shows that there is one feature getting removed from Galaxy Note 10. That is the heart rate monitor. So the lower variant of the Galaxy Note 10 won't be having a heart rate monitor and the higher variant will have it. Another thing that is getting confirmed to Galaxy Note 10 is that there won't be any headphone jack. This is bad news for people who use wired headphones. So Samsung is trying to promote their Bluetooth Galaxy Buds. So that is the reason that they are removing the headphone jack from the Galaxy Note 10. We will be covering this extensively in our future videos, so stay subscribed to TechGadget now.